I want y'all to look at this gumball machine in my local county's mall. I'm in Wilmington Mall, Biggs Park Mall, matter of fact. Look at that. Is that massive or what, Paul? That's an income generator there, Papa. I'm doing YouTube, Lily. Look at there. 20, 25 cent, 50 cent, 25 cent, 25, 25, 50, 50 cent, 50 cent, quarter, 50 cent, quarter, quarter, 50 cent, 25 cent, 75 cent. Now that's what you call make your money while you sleep. Look at there. Even got a little dispenser too to get you change. That's bad to bone there, Paul. They're making serious money there. Serious money ain't the word. This is pretty much what the mall looks like.